Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. I appreciate you stopping by today. Play with makeup, as it were. I'm gonna give this a shot. I saw somebody do it on their channel, a real makeup channel, and I thought, I have a friend who always says to me that she has no time for makeup. She'll do it for a date. She's a friend of mine who's also a client. She says, I can put something together for a date, but I just don't have time before work. And I thought, really, I don't feel like it takes me much time at all. So today I'm here to prove that to her, prove it to you, and prove it to myself. I am going to do a full face. This is my full face, and I'm gonna pull it off hopefully in 10 minutes. You'll have to watch and see how long this actually took me when it was all said and done. No need to sit and chat about it. Let me set my timer and we'll get right to it. All right, so 10 minutes, that's what I get, huh? Well, before I start, I definitely have to get all my things out and readily available, all of my products, because at my dressing table, I know where everything is, and I don't want the fact that I'm at this table slowing me down because I feel like I'm gonna need every second available. Or you never know, it could be that I'm done in 7 minutes flat, and won't you be surprised? All right, hair out of my face. I have oil on, vitamin C oil, because my skin is like, it was crazy. It just, the weather changed and every bit of moisture like was sucked out of my skin. Does that happen to you? If it does, will you make me feel not so alone and leave me a comment telling me that you are like turning from a lush, juicy grape into a horrible little dried raisin just like I am? All right, I'm going to my timer here. Timer, and it was set for 22 minutes because that's where I leave it for naps. And I am going to put it on 10. So here we go. I'll hit start and we start coming down from 10 minutes. I've wasted 2 seconds. I'm going to take, I may not be talking about products if I don't know them off the top of my head, but this is Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and the brush I use for this, oh man, I'm already starting out like a slow poke, is a Morphe brush I have. I don't even know if I'll be able to talk to you. You're gonna slow me down too. All right, I gotta be somewhere in 10 minutes, so here you go. This is what's gonna happen. All right, is that blended? Oh, no. All right. 2 different concealers. Here's one. I don't know where the other one is. I'll just keep scanning the, oh, there it is. Okay. So that's my white one for the center of my eye. Cover any redness at the outer corners. That was, yeah, this is NYX, and it's a peach colored one that I use for color correcting and concealer. The other one was the Age Rewind. And so I could do it with my fingers, or if I can quickly find my brush up. Okay. I'm not going to edit any of this out. I'm not going to edit out doing the other eye or anything. Next up I use, oh, I brought different products than usual. I brought 2 e.l.f. palettes with me. Here's the blush one with the broken lid, and here is that one. So I'm going to find a brush, any old brush maybe. I hope, oh, this one might have. Here's a bronzer brush. Anything except that pinky color, and I can bronze up a little bit. Most importantly for me, jaw, neck a little bit. Might as well do blush since it's sitting here right in front of me. Take a, oh, this one has no, how are we doing on time? I don't know. Absolute Tallulah's at my legs here wanting to come up. Absolutely not, Tallulah. Absolutely not. Bridge of my nose. I'll powder this. This is a pretty intense blush, by the way, this little e.l.f. quad. Brows. I didn't pull brushes. That's okay. It's all right. Hair on my face. Catch a glimpse. There we go. Brows up. Find a little brush. This is not my, here it is. Some brow powder. I'm using the one I constantly use, the Revolution Focus and Fix Quad. And getting the arch a little more defined. A little bit underneath. Filling in the front a little. Okay. Check my time. Where's my phone? 6 minutes and 10 seconds left. And I'm going to move on to eyes real quick. My own little Z palette. I don't know if you have a Z palette, but this is mine. And I did a video on it. You can find that under Makeup Monday. Going to take this warm color, mix it with another one. Doesn't matter the colors. Who cares, right? Mixing those two again. Oh, I didn't pat it off at all. Hopefully I don't get a ton of fallout. This brush is kind of good. It really lays on product. A little, when you want it like a little more thick, a little more. Okay. Take a big fluffy brush and just blend out the top of that. Don't use an eyelash curler lately. Don't use an eyelash curler lately, so I'm just going to go right in with my first mascara. I still got to use 2 mascaras. Did you watch that video? The one about my combo of the 2 mascaras that when you layer them up have been giving me my best favorite lashes of all time. I'll link to it right above here if you missed it. Because there's also a little trick I do and I don't have time for that today. Okay, that's the first coat. I'm gonna do my, do I have a lip pencil here somewhere? I do. It's a MAC lip pencil. Oh, I still have stain on my lips. I had a video call today. I was barefaced with red lips. That was my version of like being, I don't know, French or chic or something. Pink, and that's too pink actually for the liner I just used. That's kind of crazy. So I'm going to add a little orange to the top and make a new color. Tissue. Okay. Second mascara. How am I doing on time? 3 minutes and 30 seconds. What do I still have left? Powder. For people who tell me they have no time for makeup in the morning. Honestly, people. Skip the news. Well, you should skip the news anyway right now if you want to be a happy human. I'm going to take some powder. I brought down some Tarte powder that's almost gone and I wanted to use it up. So 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Make sure I have no creases here. And powder the center of my face. The one thing I could have done, I'll do it right now. Oh, I forgot to mute my phone. That'll help you. Don't get distracted by your phone in the morning, and that'll give you an extra 10 minutes to pull it all together. And let's see, do I have a brush here? Oh, Tallulah, are you in my brushes? You in my brush? I have a comb. Let's see, give it a little. This is crazy. Am I missing anything? Oh, I could do a little highlighter. since I have time, if I brought one. Ah! Moonshine from Lorac. Toot toot. Because I still have 1:55. And you know what? I think I'm going to take that powder, a powder brush like this. I'm going into my Prep Set and Glow from Milani. And I think I'm going to mute down my cheeks a little bit. It's a little intense for my purposes here. Also, I think I'm going to do my bottom lashes because I have 1:27 left. And I didn't mean to skip them in the first place. Are you looking to see if I forgot anything? Taking a brush and a couple of dark colors. I'm going to come from underneath. Give it a little, oops, a little shadow, but that's a little intense. That's it. That looks good. 36 seconds to spare. What do you think? Pretty good? Give it a shot. Leave your time down below. Do you need the whole 10 minutes? Or can you finish? Beat the clock. That's what that was. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I don't think I forgot anything, really. Let me just see. Blush. Not doing any contouring on my concealer. What would I do differently if I had more time? I don't know. I'd do another coat of mascara with my big lashes. That's the kind of stuff that'll slow you down though. Getting a smudge on my eye like I just did. I gotta let the smudge dry so I can just flake it right off as something that is dry and not, and I'll just use one of my little square brushes. I have a couple of them in here. Here's one. Just like that. These little square brushes are awesome for getting off little schmutches of mascara. Where did it go? Right here? Ugh, I messed it up. All right, hope that you had fun. If you enjoyed it, give the episode a thumbs up. I appreciate you stopping by today to play with makeup. I'll bring you into close-up. Pretty good for 10 minutes, right? I appreciate you stopping by to play with makeup and see if I could pull off my Beat the Clock episode here. I encourage you to try it yourself. Leave me your time down in the comments section. See if you can beat my time. Hit that ring bell so you're notified every time I upload a new episode, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, have a good one.